Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. Types of communication. Today, communication is possible through a vast variety of media. You should be very careful and judicious in the choice of media, which will depend on various factors like the urgency of the message, the time available, the expenditure involved, the intellectual and emotional level of the receivers. All the media available can be classified into 5 groups: written communication, oral communication, visual communication, audiovisual communication, computer based communication. Written communication. It includes letters, circulars, memos, telegrams, reports, minutes, etc. It is accurate and precise. It can be repeatedly referred to. It becomes a permanent record of the organization and can prove very useful for future reference. If the communicator and the receiver are far removed from each other, written communication sent through email is the only available means of communication between them. Oral communication. Oral communication saves time. It includes face-to-face conversation, over the mobile, interviews, group discussions, meetings, conferences, seminars and announcements over the public address system. With the help of variations in the tone, pitch and intensity of voice, the speaker can convey shades of meaning which he would not be able to do through written communication. The speaker can get immediate feedback and clarification. The informal way in which oral communication is mostly carried out helps to promote friendly relations between the parties communicating with each other. The limitations of written communication. It is time-consuming. Quick clarification is not possible. The limitations of oral communication. Lengthy messages are not suitable for oral transmission. Oral messages cannot be retained for a long time. They do not have any legal validity unless they are made a part of permanent record. Visual communication. The different types of visual communication can be broken down into 4 main categories: graphic design, photography, illustration, and video production. It includes printed pictures, posters, slides, etc. It can be effective if used in combination with other media. A slide showing a lighted cigarette with a cross mark on it indicates no smoking. Communication through such visuals is very effective because it is instantaneous. No words are uttered, no signs made, and yet the message gets across. Audiovisual communication. It is a powerful medium of communication and makes use of telecasts, short films and videos and PowerPoint presentations. It is a combination of sight and sound with visual and audio effects. If the slides are accompanied with explanation and narration, it will facilitate interpretation and ensure that the message is driven home. Information transmitted through audiovisual means is retained much longer than any other means. Many organizations make use of this technique to popularize their products. Computer-based communication. It is the quickest means of communication. Messages can be sent fast to any place in the world. Video conferencing and Zoom meetings can replace personal meetings. World Wide Web is a hypermedia distributed delivery system on the internet. It provides better customer service and better dissemination of information. Pics on video conference and Zoom meeting. Computer-based communication has some limitations. Fear of undesirable leakage. Easy accessibility of information on network can sometimes become the biggest liability of this channel. The virus malady. Sometimes undesirable viruses get into important data files and corrupt them. Retrieving correct data then becomes difficult. Next video on report writing.